Good morning, dear students of 7th standard. Today we will discuss the chapter number 7 of your book, that is Foundation of the Mughal Empire. My dear students, in India, Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. His full name was Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. He was born in 1483. He was the relative of Timur. My dear students, he was only 11 years old when he inherited the throne of Fargana. He also conquered Samarkand when he was of 14 years old. But in no time he lost both the territories. So he was a very ambitious man. He was determined to make his mark in the history. He did so by founding the Mughal Empire in India. He founded the Mughal Empire in India. So let us study the situation and the condition of that time when he founded the Mughal Empire. My dear students, at that time India was divided into so many small parts and all the parts were fighting with each other. The Sultanate period was almost ended and many small kingdoms sprang up all over the India. So these small kingdoms were always fighting with each other. In Delhi, Abraham Lodi was the ruler of India. He was the ruler of Delhi, and his uncle Daulat Khan Lodi, he was the governor of Punjab. This Daulat Khan Lodi was very much jealous of Abraham Lodi, so that is why he invited Babur to invade India. So after getting invitation from the Daulat Khan Lodi, Babur invaded India in 1526. So in 1526 he invaded India and he defeated the army of Abraham Lodi in the first battle of Panipat and established the Mughal Empire in India. So let us briefly talk about the first battle of Panipat. My dear student, first battle of Panipat was 1526 between Abraham Lodi and Babur, in which Babur won the battle due to his superior army and completely destroyed the Afghan power from India. So there were many reasons for the victory of Babur. First, he used artillery which was not known to the Indians. Second, his army was better trained than the Sultan's army. Even cavalry was far superior to the Indian army. So like this, he won the first battle of Panipat, and on April 27, 1526, Babur declared himself as the Emperor of Hindustan. So Babur not only won the first battle of Panipat, but he also won so many battles in India. Second battle he fought in India was Battle of Kanwa, in which he defeated Rana Sanga of Mewar, who was the leader of the Rajput at that time. The Mughal army defeated Rajput army in the fierce Battle of Kanwa on 16th March 1526. Though Rajput fought very bravely, but they were defeated due to advanced artillery and swift cavalries of the Mughal. So second battle which Babur fought in India after Battle of Kanwa was Battle of Chanderi in 1528, in which he defeated Rajputs again on 29th January 1528. Babur's army also captured the fort of Chanderi. After this battle, no Rajput ruler could challenge the authority of Babur. So a third battle was Battle of Ghaggar, in which he defeated the Afghans on 6th May 1529. 29.